Hi guys, this is Eunice and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Shaw Herbal Medicine and Shaw Herbal Knowledge. So today we're going to be talking about one of the great herbs for the liver, to help the liver out. There's a lot of people having liver issues and so far for one reason or another, but this particular herb has been researched and it does show sign that it does help with the liver. So we're going to go ahead and get into that as soon as I get my little notes. And so, here we go. So yeah, we're going to be talking about milk thistle today and so far, and this is one of the greatest herbs for the liver. Now we do have other herbs for the liver that can help with the liver, help detox the liver. Turmeric is one of those that you can drink to help detox the liver. But this here milk thistle actually goes further than just detoxing the liver and so forth. It is really a great herb for the liver. Also, milk thistle does so many other, give you so many health benefits and so forth. It also aids in preventing age-related decline in the brain functions. It also protects you from, protects your bones. It also aids in improving some cancers. It also boosts breast milk for pregnant moms. And it also treats acne for young or older people. And it also lowers blood sugar for diabetics. But we're going to get into what it does for the liver. And that's what this topic is all about. But I did want to give you those other health benefits and so far that milk thistle does. Again, it's a great herb and it gives you all these other health benefits and so far. And this is what it does for the actual liver. It protects the liver from toxins that get into it. Protects the liver from that. It also improves the liver function. It improves the liver function. It also reduces liver inflammation. A lot of people don't know that liver has inflammation and so forth, but yeah, it does help improve liver inflammation and other liver damages and stuff. It's also used as a complementary therapy for people who have liver damage already, like alcoholic liver disease and fatty liver and so forth. And let me explain that a little bit and so forth. Okay, first of all, if your liver gets really, really damaged and so forth, the liver does not rejuvenate. I may not be saying that right, but that is no help for the liver. It's not, once you liver goes, that's it. You will have to have another liver. Okay, basically that's what I'm saying. Okay, so once your liver goes, you will have to have another liver. You have to get on one of those list and so forth where you have to have like a liver transplant and so forth. But these are some things that you can do to help protect your liver before you get to that particular stage and so forth and all that. So, along with your doctor's treatments and so forth and things like that, if you have liver issues, you do, whatever you can to help protect your liver. Now, again, if your liver is already damaged, you from cirrhosis, where you overdrink, and they call it the alcoholics. What was it here? Alcoholic. I'm trying to find it here to find the right word. Where the liver is actually damaged. Okay, alcoholic liver disease. Okay, that's it. Okay, alcoholic liver disease. So if you have psoriasis and so forth, things like that, your liver is already damaged and so forth. But there are things that you can do to help the liver and so forth to help yourself along the way. And when I was first saying about the liver, The liver does not really repair itself. That's why I was saying if the liver gets to a certain stage, you have to have a liver transplant. That's what I was trying to say. I'll get it out in a minute and so forth. But anyway, this milk thistle and so forth will help your liver greatly and so forth. There are signs that you do have or symptoms that show that you're having liver issues and so forth. And by all means, get to a doctor, get a diagnosis, and get help for yourself. Also, don't push milk thistle or any herbal supplement out the window that can help you and so far. And I know this is really, really big deal because the liver is one of those things that help our body function and so forth. So it is greatly, when I say greatly, greatly important. It's just like your heart. You have to have it. You know what I'm saying? So, um, we had a family member that did pass away because of the liver. He did get put on the liver list transplant really late. He continued to drink. And this is my brother-in-law, not one of my blood relative. But yeah, and he continued to drink, and he knew this was happening to him, and so far, and he just pretty much accepted his fate, and so far, because you know the liver once it get to that stage, it is not going to repair itself, and I hope no one ever tells you that it is. Okay, because it's not. Okay. And when you get to certain stage or before you get to that stage, if you can you know the symptoms, get your diagnosis and all this and that so forth, there is a lot of things that can be done. Just like when you hear about cancer, breast cancer, we all see the commercial, all know about breast cancer and so forth, and it goes through stages. Okay, liver, the same thing, it goes through stages. So if you can get to knowing that you have liver issues, you can get help before it gets to those other stages and things like that. So there are all treatments and so forth for liver and everything. There's herbal treatment, as I'm talking to you about now, and there's also your traditional healthcare treatment and so forth for the liver. But again, you have to get to those early stages and so forth to get help, because once the liver gets to a certain stage, then there is no help. And we never know how long we have, or because we're not the keeper of our cells and so far and so forth. So we don't know how long we have. So if you do get to that stage, it could still be months, years, and so forth before pass on. So we don't know that and so far. But what we do know is that, we don't want to be in that stage, and we don't want to, go past those stages and so far to be here to suffer, for that period. So we don't want that. Okay. So I just want to give you a little bit of tidbit. I'm always giving you a little tidbit, a little story about something or somebody to kind of like explain the things to you that I'm, kind of talking about and so forth. Sometimes I get um tongue twisted. I think that's the word for it. And the words won't come out right. So, but that's okay, because we'll go back in and get it and bring it to you anyway. But anyway, so we're talking about the milk thistle today and so forth. And this is for anyone who has a liver issue, who suspect they have some kind of liver issue, or who has first symptom of getting having liver issues and so forth. Get help, get treated, get diagnosed right away and so forth, so you can be on the road to recover and so forth. like I said, once the liver goes, it's not one of those organs that's going to repair itself, and and life goes on. No, it's not. Okay, so let me give you those other great health benefits of the milk thistle, and then I'm going to double back and give you this information about how it's going to um, help the liver. And one of the reasons I do that, and so far, just in case I miss something, if I go back to it, I might catch it. And so far, or just in case you missed something I said, I've said it twice. So that you can catch it. Okay, so let's go back to all the health benefits of milk thistle. And so milk thistle do help in preventing age-related brain decline, which is what it is, brain decline. It helps the brain to function better. It also helps protect the bone, help makes the bone stronger and all that. It also aid in improving some cancers. I don't know exactly which cancer, but it does help in aid some cancer. It also boosts breast milk for moms, because I do know when you're at the hospital and you having your child, the hospital do recommend breastfeeding. They did it for me. They recommended breastfeeding. Not all moms can breastfeed, and not all moms want to breastfeed. But if it's something that you are interested in doing, milk thistle does boost breast milk. Okay. It also treats acne for younger and older people. Yeah, some older people do actually have acne. So yeah, so it treats that, and it also lowers blood sugar for people who are diabetics and so forth. So now let's get to the real topic: milk thistle to help the liver. Okay, milk thistle protects the liver, protects it from toxins that we get into our body, whether it comes through food, whether it comes through pill, whether it comes from the elements or whatever. Milk thistle does help prevent. To protect the liver from toxins. It improves liver functions. It reduces liver inflammation and so forth. That kind of like surprised me, the liver inflammation, but I should have known that. And other liver damages, it also is used as a complementary therapy for people who already have damaged liver. That means that it's not going to repair the liver if it's already to that stage, as I said before, but it does help. It'll help soothe or help the person who is going through those stages, symptoms, and illness and things like that. It does help with with that issue and so forth. Like as I was saying, alcoholic liver disease, cirrhosis, and so forth. If you have cirrhosis, the liver is not going to be repaired from that. But milk thistle can help you by helping you with this milk thistle therapy. If it's like helping keep down inflammation, helping with pain, or helping with whatever it does, and so far, it is a complementary therapy, health treatment for people who already have liver damages. Okay, and also people who have fatty disease. It does help with that as well. So I am like so excited, so glad I'm able to bring you that information today. You may not need it. You can pass it on to somebody that may need it. It's something that you can even, speak with you to your doctor about, and so forth. If you are in that situation, and so forth, I don't know what your doctor was saying. Some doctors are now, kind of like bending toward herbal supplements to help out and things like that. And in the meantime, you're getting all those other health benefits and things like that. So, always, herbal supplement, herbal medicine gives you not one benefit, but so many benefits and so forth and things like that. And there are other herbal medicines that do help with the liver disease or liver issues and so far. Again, I mentioned turmeric, drinking turmeric to detox the liver and so forth. That is a good thing if you are starting to see signs or have signs of something going on with your liver and so far. Detoxing the liver, getting that stuff out of your liver and so forth is a good way to help improve your liver and all that. But milk thistle goes way beyond just that and so far. So it does it does help you out. So this is Eunice on a Thursday with milk thistle short herbal knowledge. And I will be back again next week to give you more herbal knowledge. And I thank you for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one.